Welcome to my review of Quest, a SaaS platform designed to help businesses engage their customers through targeted messaging and analytics. Quest combines tools for customer support, marketing automation, and detailed analytics, allowing businesses to better understand and connect with their users. After logging in to Quest, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive dashboard that provides a clear overview of your customer interactions and engagement. You can start by adding your website or app, and the platform will guide you through setting up its key features. From here, you can integrate messaging, push notifications, in-app messaging, and more, all tailored to the behavior of your users. One of the standout features of Quest is its ability to segment users based on their behavior, which allows for hyper-targeted communication. Whether you're sending a welcome message to a new user, offering a discount to a repeat customer, or notifying someone about an abandoned cart, the platform helps you craft messages that resonate with your audience. You can also access in-depth analytics on how users are interacting with your messages, tracking clicks, conversions, and other important metrics. This level of detail is crucial for understanding what works and refining your strategy over time. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. Another feature worth mentioning is the A/B testing capabilities that allow you to experiment with different messaging strategies to see what performs best. This data-driven approach helps you optimize your communication and improve engagement rates. The platform also offers integration with other popular tools, making it easy to sync Quest with your existing tech stack. Whether you're using CRM tools, email marketing platforms, or other SaaS products, Quest fits seamlessly into your workflow. Overall, Quest is a powerful tool for any business looking to enhance user engagement, automate messaging, and drive conversions. It's packed with features that are easy to use, even for those without a technical background. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more honest SaaS tool reviews and insights. Thanks for watching.